Hello, welcome to the basement. Oh, this is the same flag that hung in the room where the bulletin board was when we did the picture. December 1984 for the T-Pug magazine. Oh dear. Okay. So, okay. Let's see here. It's a good thing these wigs have a little tag in the back. Okay, so this, I have some more of these cases. I've sent some away to Richard. They're beautiful, magical things for little things. This is the one my dad had assembled that had bicycle things here. Look at that wrench. It's got all these different sizes, yet it's only one wrench. Because with bicycle things, wrenches, things, you do want to have things sort of compact and small. But mind you, this, and you couldn't take this whole case with you on a typical bicycle. But when faced with trying to fix a bicycle, you would need these were the things used to pry a tire on and off. And of course, you would need many of them because you had to get under and spring, and they would attach to the spokes. And this too is a tool that would help you with that as well. It had little wrench things. It seemed everything, maybe except for these, had more than one use. It did, once again, very similar. There will be duplicates in here. Oh, look. Tweezers. Very fine tweezers. And skinny little pliers. A double-ended wrench. I'm not sure what it was for, but my dad would have known. Oh yeah, another one of the things to help get a tire on. Get a tire on. Little tire irons. Oh, it's handy. A little file. You never know, you know. Another thing for tires. This, I think this is a spoke tightener. You put it at the bottom and go on and twist. More tire things. More tire helpers. You would need a lot of these. Mind you, I know this kit had more than it needed. Oh, now that. Look at that. That is like a multi-purpose wrench. It says Canada on it. All kinds of sizes of things and stuff. This is the kind of thing that you could carry much easier and be able to do all kinds of operations. Oh, and there's another. Oh, now this will help you get your tire on, but it also has other accessory items there that you can tinker with. Here, oh, now these are handy. These are things, I remember wearing these. These are things you put around your pant leg to make sure it didn't get stuck in the chain. Because if it got stuck in the chain, it was no fun. Aha, here is a piece of rubber. This might be handy to kneel on, or depending on what you're working on, have at the ready. My golly, there's more. More stuff for getting a tire on. Oh, a wrench with a little offset. What do we got? Ooh, another sort of magical wrench configuration. What do we got? Another sort of universal funny wrench thing. I imagine most bicycles came with some sort of something. Well, there's another. I don't know. I guess each manufacturer had their own thing, and their own, depending on sizes and things. But this kit had pretty much anything you would need. And then some. Oh, more tweezers. Oh, a single wrench. Oh, what does this say? Porter cable. Oh. Okay, that's another story. Porter cable. There's an old lawnmower at the cottage. Probably it will never work again now. Another little wrench. Another little thing. And they made all kinds of things. I think this was something that most of them, they just rebranded somebody else's. But apparently a bunch of people up there in cottage country at the time of when my grandpa was there, they all went and got them together. But I think ours is the last one that survived. But it's still, I don't know. Anyway, this here is to take, so you can put a chain in here and turn this and poke out the thing that holds it together, so you can either fix a chain, replace a chain thing, like if there was something bad, it would. So you could correct chain issues. Because I guess sometimes if a chain were to come off, it might get a little bit mangled. And you might have to merge something in or take something out, or depending, maybe you were changing the gearing on something. Another tire helper. Another wee wrench. My golly. Another wee wrench. Pretty much everything in here would be something that could be helpful in bicycle operations. Not sure what that hook is for. Oh, I guess that alarm clock is working. Another little tool. Nice to know. Another little wrench thing. Oh! Okay, well, I'll get that. This is actually like an accessory thing that you might put around the frame. I'm not sure, maybe to hold a basket on. Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe a basket holder, something thing. What else do we have? Oh, another little kind of eared thing. Almost looks like an alien. But of course, on the end, it has the thing to help get a tire on and off. Ah! Sorry. And here's an extra bolt and a nut and a washer. You never know. And what is in here? Oh, another kind of fastener thing that might help with something. And oh, what else? Oh, that's kind of interesting. Another wrench thing, and then it has this V-shaped thing at the top, almost like a whale or a shark. And why? I don't know. And, oh yes, one would not be complete without an extra air cap thing. Metal, of course. Now, what did I drop? Oh, I think I see it. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I keep trying to kick it with my foot, but it's not moving, but it must go back in here. Oh! It is another spoke tightener of some significance. It is. So this, I think this is a vintage ammunition kind of case, but certainly they did have a lot more uses than that. So now the secret is, now Trying to get all this stuff back in here, which may or may not go well, because things have a way of, oh, and I see the rubber piece has already slipped. That is not good. Things have a way of sort of sticking on each other. I do remember at times this was an operation that I did before, and also I saw my dad doing a little extra shake and bake on this. And with this, we'll go to the car. And then eventually, we're getting there. It will likely go into the trunk of my old Harley. Because you just never know. And shaboom, it is done. So, one little old case with, I didn't count how many different tools and things, and some are the same, some are different, but certainly historic. I don't know if my dad, no, this is one of the rare things my dad did not put his name on. Shaboom. Oh, I don't think this one is ticking. Stop. Oh, yeah, it is. It's just some are harder to hear. They are. All right. Well, that's enough for now. We will do more. We will do more. This I'm going to take to the stairs. Oh. Should we hear from poor Richard? Let's see here. What's this? Lost time is never found again. Life with fools consists in drinking. With the wise man, living's thinking. It's funny, I've often said to people who have reached the age where they're allowed to drink, not that they would ever drink before that, but they say, oh, 19's the legal drinking age. I said, no. 19 is the legal thinking age. There is no man so bad, but he secretly respects the good. When there's more malice shown than matter, on the writer falls the satire. Courage would fight, but discretion won't let him. Pride and the gout are seldom curled throughout. Heard. We are not so sensible of the greatest health as of the least sickness. A good example is the best sermon. A father's treasure, a brother's comfort, a friend is both. Despair ruins some, presumption many. A quiet conscience sleeps in thunder, but rest and guilt live far asunder. Right. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you again back in the basement, where I continue to attempt to declutter. Bye for now.